Bitcoin falls on inflation fears but remains above $17,000. FTC probes possible misconduct in cryptocurrency advertising. GameStop cuts more staff, including crypto wallet engineers. UK crypto bill to restrict services from abroad. Court sets new deadline for Celsius restructuring plan. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. After a brief stint in the positive direction, cryptocurrency markets resumed their downward spiral on concerns over an aggressive fight against inflation likely to dent the sentiment for riskier assets. Bitcoin fell below $17,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Vishakha.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 2 at 25,460 points. ISM services data, which gauges the purchasing level of manufacturers of the broader economy, came better than expected in November at 56.6, rebounding from a more than 2-year low of 54.4 hit in October and beating market forecasts of 53.3. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower around $851 billion, losing as much as 2% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume lost about 5% to $36 billion. Meanwhile, investors anticipate an 89% chance that the US Central Bank will likely increase interest rates by 50 basis points next week to 4.25% to 4.50%, with rates peaking at a slower pace. The rate-setting Federal Open Market Committee meets on December 13 to 14, the final meeting in a volatile year which saw the central bank attempt to arrest a multi-decade rise in inflation with record interest rate hikes. Investors worry that the Federal Reserve will most likely need to hike interest rates for longer than previously expected to bring down the inflation. The Dow slumped as fresh data pointing to strength in the economy and further signs of inflation pressures stoked concerns about higher for longer interest rates ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 1.4% or 482 points, the Nasdaq 1.9% and the S&P 500 fell 1.7%. Bitcoin was trading at $16,965, down 2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 3.3%, trading at $1,253. On my left, BNB was down 2.5% to trade at $287. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was down by 3% to trade at $0.90. Solana Sol was down 0.6% and was trading at $13. Cardano's ADA token was down by 3% to trade at $0.31. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 6% at $0.10. Shiba Inu was trading down by 5.3%. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $30, lower 4.7%. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.38, down by 2.7%. Last on the list, Polkadot was down by 4% to trade at $5.
Thank you, Vishakha, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. The US Federal Trade Commission is investigating several unnamed crypto firms over deceptive or misleading crypto advertisements. We are investigating several firms for possible misconduct concerning digital assets, the FTC spokeswoman Juliana Henderson said in a statement. Henderson declined to share further information about which firms are the subject of the probe or what had prompted the commission to launch investigations. Video game retailer GameStop has laid off another round of employees today ahead of its upcoming earnings report. According to reports and social media posts from affected individuals, the team behind the company's crypto wallet was particularly hard hit. Daniel Williams, GameStop's lead software engineer, posted on LinkedIn earlier today that there was another big round of layoffs at GameStop currently in progress, including e-commerce product and engineers employees, lots of them, he added. In a follow-up comment, Williams said that a company announcement is due later today. Multiple former employees have shared public status updates about the layoffs on LinkedIn today, including blockchain and iOS engineer Brandon, who wrote that he was impacted by the company's move. Despite the Conservative Party's rhetorical embracement of crypto under the new Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, the upcoming regulatory framework will reportedly tighten scrutiny over the industry. The legislation updates will broaden the powers of the financial regulator and probably limit foreign companies' operations in the United Kingdom. According to a report, the FTX collapse has influenced the course of the regulatory regime in the UK. Reportedly, the Treasury is finalizing a package of guidelines that will enable the Financial Conduct Authority to monitor the operations and advertising of crypto companies in the country. There also would be restrictions on selling crypto on the UK market from abroad. Although the report doesn't reveal more specifics on those restrictions, presumably they'll be enforced to force the companies to register with the FCA. The procedure is tough enough already, as 85% of the applicants did not pass the FCA's anti-money laundering test, according to its chief executive, Nikhil Rathi. Bankrupt crypto lender Celsius was granted an extension on its exclusivity period until 15 Feb 2023. The court approval would give the troubled crypto lender another couple of months to file for a Chapter 11 restructuring plan. The approval to extend the exclusivity period came after two court hearings on December 6. Celsius, in an official tweet, said that they requested approval to permit the sale of stablecoin aimed at providing liquidity for continued operations. The judge has indicated that he will share his decision soon, likely next week. Celsius filed for an extension of the exclusivity period on November 10th with hopes of making substantial progress. Reorganization is a process of implementing a business plan to alter a corporation's structure or finances because of financial dues under government supervision. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get updates on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
Social media users are swirling around rumors that Twitter is looking at introducing its own native asset called DogeCoin to be used for payments and tipping on the platform. This move comes after Nima Orji, who runs an app-focused information leak account on Twitter, posted a screenshot of what appears to be a prototype Twitter interface showing a coins option for tipping, along with a vector image showing a coin bearing Twitter's logo on 4th of December. The DogeCoin community on Twitter and Reddit has also attempted to connect the dots, with some hoping that DogeCoin is simply a placeholder name for Dogecoin, given Musk's long-standing association with the meme coin. Despite this, Doge was trading at $0.1007, a 3.65% decrease in the previous 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $13 billion. Philcoin was recently listed on Bitmart, a leading cryptocurrency exchange with daily volumes of around $335 million. Previously, Philcoin was listed on PancakeSwap, Indacoin, and MEXC. The listing will help Philcoin reach hundreds of countries, where 9 million users in over 180 countries can buy the cryptocurrency directly through Bitmart. The Bitmart listing will help Philcoin expand its user base, which was previously limited due to limited methods of purchasing the cryptocurrency. This will fuel the expansion of community-led initiatives and broaden philanthropic activities. Philcoin is actively educating crypto users to help them understand the current opportunities in Web3, such as unparalleled buying opportunities. Philcoin was trading at $0.0416, up by 1.45% in the past 24 hours. Rumors circulated earlier today that 4 million BNX were being dumped per hour on Binance alone. A cryptocurrency trader also asked the Binary X team to answer questions about specific transactions. All of this caused panic in the Binary X community, as many speculated that the sellers were the token developers. Now, because of the level of FUD surrounding the BNX token, liquidity providers on PancakeSwap have exited their positions. According to the Binary X team, rumors that it was selling the BNX token were false and all of its projects were running smoothly. The developers tweeted that they would buy back the token soon and are working on a detailed plan. BNX was trading at $63.42, down by 10.74% in 24 hours with a market capitalization of $1 million.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.